How's it going, everyone? Mike here, September 15th, Merch by Amazon sales update. Here we are halfway through the month, and something has happened that hasn't happened to me, I would say probably in a long while. Before we get to that, let's look at the numbers for the 15th. I'm recording this first thing on the 16th. 18 sales. Again, that one product is still continuing to perform. As you can see here, 11 sales for that one product that took off, or that is slowly taking off. Let's say I don't want to get my hopes up or get too cocky with this, because when you do that, you know what happens. You get pretty disappointed fairly quickly. So the observation, though, this is a nice observation, is the original product that was taking off here, as you can see, is the standard t-shirt, and 11 sales. Now, if you click on that product, and I'm sure you guys have noticed this, Amazon will, for certain products, this doesn't actually happen for all of my products, will suggest other product types with the same design. So now that this has actually started to sell, this one is picking up as well. It's the same design, but it's the long sleeve t-shirt. So, in reality, I guess this would be 13 sales for the same design, but two different product types, which is amazing. And then as you can see, the rest of the products were one-offs. There was one with 2 sales, and that's about it. 18 sales, US market, for the total of 20. I had 2 sales in Germany, and I've started to hit 20 sales more often actually now, and it's starting to feel really good. Now, what I wanted to mention, what I mentioned at the beginning of the video, was this: the whole week, guys, the whole week with double digits above 10. There was one, the lowest day right now is 10, and like I said, I am recording this first thing on the 16th, so we'll see how today goes, but here we are. Look at this 7-day average, 106, and that's with the 2 sales included, which means that my new 7-day average is above 110, 115. Again, incredible, right? And it's all thanks to that one product. So, I've said this over and over. It's amazing, but also, somewhat concerning, because, hey, I have one product that's generating 50% of my sales right now, and I'm in tier 20,000 with 5,000 live designs. Again, I don't really know what to think about that, how to process it. I guess at this point it really doesn't matter. That's what people are telling me, because you're still getting like $90, $50, $65 in royalties every single day, and that's what we're here for. It's the money, it's the profits, but again, I'm playing the long-term game here, and I wish I had more products like that, but we'll see what's going to happen. This month, 178 sales in the US. So again, 15 days, right? $3,388.18 in sales, for the total royalties of $745.14. Let's see how we're doing overall. So 207, so I've cracked the 200 mark, and it's only, like I said, the 15th. And you can see, sales are coming in from all the marketplaces. For me, for some reason, Germany and Japan always stand out, but the UK here is catching up, and then Italy is, at least I have that one, so I won't be complaining. I just wanted to throw this up as well, just to see how we're doing compared to some of the other months. And, I really wanted to show you this, because right now, September, 15 days in September have beat February completely. And again, now at this point, I have no doubt that all of these months here that are under 200, even the 217, 212, will definitely be beat. I don't want to, like I said at the beginning, I don't want to get too cocky and kind of lose being modest here, but there's a big chance that this will be the best month, going back to, let's see, March probably of 2019, maybe April, we'll see. But again, I'm pretty confident, again, if it continues, even if the sales drop at this point and I go back to my original average of about 6 to 8 sales a day, it will still beat all of these months, and again, it will be a pretty exceptional month. This kind of stuff, like to me, this is amazing. $450 in royalties in 7 days, right? Like $2,000 in sales in 7 days. I mean, that's amazing. As you can see here, like this completely stands out. And keep in mind, we're just looking at 7 days. 62 sales for that one product, right? And then the other ones, as you can see, a bunch of one-offs, and then we have the 11, the 4, a bunch of 3s, and so on. So again, something did change a couple of weeks ago, probably 2 weeks ago. It's changed for the better, and while I was thinking, I might see a drop, it's been consistently increasing, but again, we'll see what happens over the next couple of days, because as you can see, I've been getting drops in sales over the weekend, and but again, we're getting into September and October, so I really can't predict what's going to happen. I hope that it continues like this, and the sales stay, but like I said, I'm always prepared for the reality, which was 6 to 8 sales a day, and I definitely won't be complaining about that as well. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Just gonna leave it and say, things are looking great. Yesterday again, I've hit 800 uploads. This is the first thing in the morning, so I'm actually just gonna start working on my spreadsheets right now and get this to 800 today as well. 78,829 products live, and I just got to keep working. That's it. Thanks guys for watching. See you soon.